How do I fix my JLab earbuds that are blinking red while charging?
Hello everyone, welcome to our troubleshooting guide. Today we're addressing a common issue with JLab earbuds. They're blinking red while charging. This typically indicates a charging issue, but don't worry, we have a step-by-step solution for you. Remember, safety first, always handle electronic devices with care.
Identify the problem.
First, we need to verify if the problem is indeed with your JLab earbuds. When the earbuds are in the case and charging, the light should be solid red. If it's blinking, it might mean the earbuds aren't charging properly.
Check the charger and cable.
Now, let's first check your charger and charging cable. Use a different charger and cable, preferably one that you've tested with other devices and confirmed to be working. If your earbuds charge correctly with a different charger and cable, it means that your original charger or cable is faulty.
Clean the charging contacts.
If changing the charger and cable doesn't solve the problem, the issue may be due to dirty charging contacts on the earbuds or the case. You should clean these contacts gently with a dry, lint-free cloth. Be careful not to damage them.
Reset the earbuds.
Next, let's try to reset the earbuds. Here's how you do it. 1. Remove the earbuds from the charging case and turn them off. 2. Press and hold the power button for 15 seconds. 3. Once the LED lights flash red and white, release the button. 4. Place the earbuds back into the charging case. This process resets your earbuds and might fix the charging issue.
Contact JLab support.
If you've tried everything and your earbuds are still blinking red while charging, it might be a hardware issue. In this case, contact JLab support directly. Remember to provide them with all the details of the issue and what you've done to try to fix it. They'll guide you through their warranty and repair process. So, there you have it, your guide to solving the red blinking light issue with your JLab earbuds. Remember, sometimes the issue can be as simple as a dirty charging contact or a faulty cable. If the problem persists, don't hesitate to reach out to the professionals. Thanks for watching, and hope your earbuds will be back to normal soon.